I wanted to share a real easy upgrade that Beth and I did to our camp, and that is adding these low profile collapsing hooks. I've mounted one on each of the upper cabinet doors right as we come in through the main door into the camp. At the end of the winter, this was a useful place to hang a wet jacket if it was raining or snowing out. It also is a great position because it's in close proximity to our bathroom. One thing that we do to increase the space of our bathroom, or at least the perceived space of our bathroom, is to position this door so it blocks the aisleway here. We have a little foot operated doorstop at the bottom that keeps the door in position. And of course, if you're using it for the bathroom, we always put up our shade right here so you've got privacy. But this is a great place to hang a towel or clothing you're going to wear that day, and it works out quite well. We've had them in this position for a while. They're mounted with Command adhesive strips, and I'm going to switch them out today. A little bit more permanent mounting option to use nano tape, which you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's or your local hardware store. And I'll replace these with a set that has nano tape on the back. Then we'll save these for future use, you never know.